how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the surprised Pikachu meme from Pokemon, all these cool things. So it's gonna be really easy, and it's gonna be step by step. Okay, the video is stay all the way to the very end of the video. The video is only about 7 to 8 minutes. Super simple, but if you stay all the way to the very end, you'll know exactly how to draw it. Okay, that's pretty much it. All right, so let's get started. Before you do that, though, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Pokemon, anime, cartoons, or anything else, if you like having it condensed into these 8-minute videos, very simple ones, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. That's gonna let you know when I post. Okay, so let's get started, okay? First thing I'm gonna do, and also press like, by the way, if you do like Pokemon, because that's kind of like, if you want to draw more of that, definitely press like right now. I'm gonna go over here and start with the top of Pikachu's head. More or less just a straight line. Go over here, pulling out for one ear. Go back here. It's going to be one ear. Let's go over here and draw the other ear. It's a little bit of a curve to it when you're doing that, right? Pull it out a little bit. I'm going to curve it back here. Pull it in a little bit more. And let's go to the front of the face. He's gonna be turning that way a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull a line here, slight overlapping line, pull down at an angle, curve, and then down here to the neck. Right on. Gonna go on this side, pull out, overlapping line. This one's gonna be more or less straight and slide down. Alrighty. Gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna draw the design on his ear. So I'm gonna curve here, more or less. So it could be a straight line, but I could call it a curve. Go over here on this side. Same thing. And now I'm going to fill those in with dark. Right on. Let's go into the eyes, Pikachu's eyes. I'm gonna start over here, maybe hover around this area, and I'm going to kind of draw it. It's a little bit egg-like, you know, it's not quite like a perfect circle, his eye. Go in here on this side. Same thing. Can make it like a little bit bigger on this one. Circle over here. Circle over here on the inside. These are then be the highlights. Okay. Now I'm gonna fill those in. I mean, not the highlight, but you know, the space around it. Going over here, and I'm gonna draw the nose. It's more or less like a almost like a circle, just to like flip to the side though. Looks like a frijole or a bean that fell on the floor. See, I don't know why every time I try to even it out, it makes it uneven. All right, doing good. I'm gonna go over here and draw the mouth open, and that's gonna be like a little curve for the top right there. And go down here, extend it like so. Right on. And we're gonna have his rosy cheeks kind of thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a little bit of a curve inside here to make sure that you know this is his mouth. I'm gonna draw a little bit of dark there, so you know that it's his mouth opening, that's his tongue. Because if I draw a circle here and a circle here, it's gonna look like 3 circles. It's gonna look weird. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the rosy cheek on one side here. Okay. I'm gonna go over here and draw the rosy cheek on the other side. Okay, we good? And that's mostly it, to be honest. What you could do is you could color it in like I'm about to. I'm about to color it in, but you don't really have to do that. That's kind of your own volition. So that's pretty much it. If you want to stick around right now, maybe 30 seconds as I color this in, stick around, and I can talk to you. So I'm just filling this in with pretty much just Copic markers, using kind of a dark yellow for him. But Pokemon and is one of my favorite things, honestly. It's if you want more Pokemon, you have to let me know. And the way you do that is through your likes, or you let me know verbally, or you let me know through the comments. Because if you go through the comments and actually tell me, I'll be like, oh, okay, I'll throw more Pokemon in if you want. So that's kind of the way I know that stuff. So like the channel has been a lot of Among Us and a lot of Godzilla, because I noticed people like the Godzilla stuff and Among Us stuff more, so I'd start adding it on. And literally people would verbally ask, hey, put more of this stuff. So I was like, okay, I will. And so that's why you're seeing a lot of that stuff now. But that could easily change. Like if the flow changes, that could change. If you guys let me know you want to see more Pokemon or more Fortnite or something like that, or more Minecraft. I was adding Minecraft. I'll probably add some more Minecraft soon, because I feel like I haven't been adding enough of that. But yeah, just let me know, okay? That's kind of the way it works, essentially, so that it's more or less easier for you to follow. I don't normally color, but I color the simple ones because I think it's kind of fun to do that. I'm going to start coloring a lot more, though, at the very end of my videos. I definitely do that. So here's the red for the rosy cheeks real quick. This one I'm using a Prismacolor marker. And if you think there's a difference between markers, there is between the Crayola markers and these. Crayola's actually kind of, what do you call that? The Crayola markers actually kind of smear, I've noticed. And like if they touch each other. I'm trying not to touch on this one, touch the other Crayola. But the other ones don't. Anyways, there you go. That's that meme. Thank you so much. Like, if you want to see any other memes, let me know as well. If you like the video, please do me a huge favor and share the video with a friend. Helps the channel out, helps the algorithm out. Thank you so much, and when you're drawing, keep it easy.